This is how we get on the couch. Kitty. What are you doing? You dangling your feet? Oh, got your book? Oh, did Kitty in the book? Hi. Gee, where's your car? Get in your car. Go take a drive in your car. Get in your car. Close the door. Start driving. Oh, are you done? Oh, screensaver. Hey, Gage. 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 Can you find your boots? Let's put your boots on. Where are your boots at? Where are your boots? Where are your boots? Oh, there's one of your boots. Where's the other one? Thank you. Where's your other boot? There's a lot of stuff on the floor. Where's your other boot? Well, that's one. We need to find the other one. Where's the other boot? No, it's not right there. Where is it? I see it. It's under your car. Look under your car. Look under your car. You see your boot? See your boot? See it? There it is. Okay, you want to put them on? Want to put them on? Come here. Put your boots on? Should we put your boots on? Boots? Come on, let's put your boots on.